Hello everyone, this is Luke. Today I want to take a look at the brand new DeepSeek AI and DeepSeek Arch 1, how it works and how you can use it completely for free. If you find this video interesting, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. First, type deepseek.com into the search bar and the main page will appear. Click on Start Now. You can create your own account, but for now we will log in using Google. Enter your account details and password and wait for the login process to complete. Once you are logged in, you will reach the main dashboard where you can chat with AI, search the internet and even upload image. Let's test it by asking. For example, when will AI take over humanity? You have to wait a while for the AI to write the answer. This way you can use the AI for various tasks, whether for school, work, or just for fun. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.